Good? All right. Today, we will be investigating the question, how do ocean currents affect the air temperature of the locations that they pass? So in order to do that, we are going to conduct a little experiment. We're going to do it on the demonstration table, and you guys will get to gather the data based on what we get up here. So you can flip through the PowerPoint as we're going through this. At some point, you are going to get to just pause because we have to track the air temperature before, and then we'll track the air temperature after. So there'll be a little bit of time in between those two. So you can see up in the front here, we have one styrofoam cup labeled H for hot, and we have another styrofoam cup labeled C for cold. So first things first, let's get some initial temperature readings. All right, so our initial temperature for these is approximately 21.6 degrees Celsius. So you can record that into your data table for initial temperature for hot and cold. That is not going to change. At this point, we're going to take these tops off, and we are going to put our water into the respective cups. This is ice water, which we'll be pouring into here. Not too far up. And then we have some water that we heated up in here. Into this cup. Alrighty. We're gonna put our lids back on, and we're gonna put the thermometers back in, but we do not want them to touch the water. We just want them to touch the air above. So let's see what I can do with this one. Not cooperating the best. Let's see here. Let's poke a hole through that right now. And put it. It's a little too heavy on the side there. There we go. Good. All right, so now we're gonna wait about 2 minutes, and we're gonna see what happens to the temperature. We'll take another reading at the end of the 2 minutes, and we'll record that data into the data table.
A few minutes later.
Okay, welcome back. So now let's take a look at our temperatures. So here's the hot one. I'm just gonna turn this around so I can see it. That has gone up to 77.1 degrees Celsius. So in the data table for hot, put in 77.1 degrees Celsius. And for the colds, we are at 8.1 degrees Celsius. 8.1 degrees Celsius. So get that into your data table. And then we'll move forward with the rest of the questions and the explanations and how they all relate to warm and cold ocean currents.